this video, we're going to look at how you can adjust the speed of your clips. So we're going to go here and look at this clip where you can see me pouring water. Then we're going to go over to our panels and we're going to choose speed. Notice as soon as I choose that, I have these blue handles that I can work with. Let me change the size of timeline so we can see that better. So in this case, I have the entire clip, but you can see I can change that and just have part of the clip speed up. Here, we can adjust the range of speed. So as I speed clips up, if there were clips around it, that would adjust. Now, typically, when you speed up footage, that also causes your audio pitch to change. Think of a mouse voice. While slowing down the clip will lower it. Think of like deep voice. Maintain pitch by checking that will take care of that and preserve the original pitch no matter what your speed is. So always good to have that checked. Your next option is ramp. By changing the ramp, you create a gradual acceleration and deceleration of the clip. This is as opposed to an abrupt shift in speed. That speed ramp creates a smooth transition between different speeds. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so that's our default clip. Now let's speed this up. So we've sped that up quite a bit. And now we'll play again. There we go. And so you can see that part of that clip was sped up. So that's an interesting technique to experiment. Of course, you can also slow the clip down. Let's experiment with that. So instead of going up, we'll go down. And you can see how this is stretching out that clip. Now, do you hear that weird noise? That's because I didn't check my maintain audio pitch. Let's try that again. There we go. So experiment with that. It's a cool special effect to kind of add to some of your video if it calls for that.